still kept. You also notice how what's it called? The previous day low also is given as extremely equal lows with today's Asian session. You realize that this move up right now might just be a distraction.
I just marked that consideration. If any of the side takes out, I would target the other side. But as I think we are most likely gonna, yeah, I would target the highs more than the lows because I wanted to make the twist the high of the week.
XC or EU?
EU.
You target the what did you say?
The highs.
Over the lows?
Yeah, because I wanted to make the twist the high of the week. Then go for lower. As we tapped on the order block, I'm actually assuming that last bullish candle as an order block.
You're assuming the last bullish candle as an order block.
Yeah.
The one forming now?
No, on the daily time frame.
Like,
I think we don't have much big news today. Tomorrow is really looks like a battlefield. I think banana isn't trading this week.
that makes sense. Don't blame him.
Yeah, he's a one shot, one kill trader, so he has a patience to do that.
Yeah, today is to me it's very much a after news trade day.
I think we're gonna have a really good setup today.
Just to clarify, you're expecting lower higher on EU
No, I'm expecting EU to
and
be,
lower on GBP.
yeah. No. Lower EU. Like I wanted to, yeah, I wanted to create the high of the week as twisted, like previous day high taken out and then go for lower.
Okay, so you expect it to rise up. So would you expect manipulation on
Yeah.
news? Take the highs?
Yes, exactly.
Cool.
Hello, bro. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? You didn't catch any trade yesterday, right? Sagnar?
No, I didn't know. Yesterday, no, I didn't. Yesterday was
I wasn't expecting anything much as yesterday was a Monday, but saw that it's in a payday race, so took a chance. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Let me know. Would just wait for the news to come and then look for setup as we did yesterday. Can you remember it? Yeah, I do remember you. You were in a trade, I see, on EU, right? In that day. Yeah.
Wow, wow. That's really cool.
What?
That is really cool.
What is cool?
Just the way it reacted off of IFBG.
What
That
time frame?
is
What time frame are you
that is
looking
what the entry is amazing. Oh, just a 5 minute
at? DXY?
on the EU.
Oh, EU.
No, on the EU.
Mm.
Kind of taps it and runs lower on the current 5 minute candle.
Yeah. You're talking about 655 IFBG. You saved
Yeah.
I saved your account. What do you mean? Do you copy my trades?
Huh? Are you talking to me?
No, that's on chat. Like, so I'm saying
Oh, I see. I
I
was
saved
wondering.
his account. So, oh, I think this is the guy from the Bangladesh. I think he made money that day. Yeah, I do remember you. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So, what did you do with that money? Did you party or just blow it on an extra?
Insane. Wow, there might actually be an entry here.
Really?
Jeez.
Yeah, you can take
Wow.
entry, but it's not matching my bias though.
I mean, I think uh, how long? Yeah, the targets will be like 5 pips. So probably not ideal.
I think this is a
I guess it's
manipulation.
nice to have a little demo trade on.
Actually, I was in loss. That trade helped me to stay in break even. Oh, I see. Yeah, that means that trade was really helpful. Was you in the stream yesterday? Like we had a good trade, even though I missed the setup because of one tick entry point. But today was really
So cool.
we traded this one. Yeah, exactly. We took this trade yesterday from here, but I didn't got an entry. You see that? This little on Thursday, I think, yeah, on Thursday we traded as well. We traded on the Thursday, right? I can remember. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is the Thursday setup, I guess. Yeah, this one was Thursday. And before that day, I think yeah, hit an SL, and before that, there was a good day. We took two trades on the Wednesday, I guess. Yeah, Tuesday or Wednesday. But as a beginner, things I can master the whole market. Like choose any of two pair that is correlated, like EURUSD GBPUSD, and just understand it, how it moves, how it reacts, the nature of it, you know. How long have you been trading? Okay, I really think this is an manipulation. Sagnar.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, I think we would take out the low and target the high and create the high of the week.
Yeah, I mean that's very possible.
Exactly.
I was in demo shorts, targeting the lows,
Hmm.
and it hit it so quick.
Yeah,
Didn't really expect that to happen.
exactly. Like,
But I have to say,
hmm
DXY, like I'm looking at DXY now, and the Asian lows, the previous day low. Do you see how it's so engineered?
Yeah,
It's ridiculous.
that's what I'm targeting.
Yeah, I mean,
But
I
I
don't
I
blame you.
I wanted that to be swept by the like London kill zone, but it didn't happen. So it's
Instead, it's doing this.
yeah, it did like sweep the Asian highs, but I was really wanted to sweep the previous day highs.
Yeah, I mean, I'd actually be interested in taking shorts. I mean, well, DXY shorts, EU longs at news potentially. Um, with you, you'd be interested in doing that, right? Is that something you're looking for?
I would be really be like the safe place would be after the news, see how the price action is, then decide. But my bias is like bearish, but it as it already took the sell side liquidity, so I don't think it's really would be good to target that again. So yeah. So he's asking, should I learn volume and order flow related things or ICT SMC? What do you recommend? Well, strategy, every strategy works, right? So it actually depends on the person to person. But if you really want to move towards really professionalism, then order flows, dome, volume profile, these things can work, but it definitely takes time, like 5 to 7 years. So if you have dedication, and it's expensive as well, you have to like spend on the tools. But if you want to go with ICT SMC where you don't really have to spend anything, almost everything is free in that, and that would probably take you 3 to 5 years if you get really confused. There's a timeline, but obviously it depends person to person on your work. I was even profitable doing supply and demand. I used to trade that back in 2024. Then I switched to ICT later. Strategy doesn't matter, but this is more precise approach like ICT. But the one advantage would be with order flow dome, you can automate your system, but with ICT you cannot. You have to trade manually. Did you get it? Do you agree, Sagna, with this one?
With what you just said?
Yeah, like order flow domes. Like I believe every strategy works. It really depends on the person to person how they use it. But if you really want to go with the professionalism, then that would be really good thing. Like you can be an institutional trader, you can work in finance industry. But if you want to be trader, then the cheap option would be ICT, isn't it?
Yeah, I've spoken to different types of traders, different analysis,
Exactly.
technical analysis school, but yeah, ICT may not be certified in the research space, but it definitely does what it says it does.
Yeah,
Gives you a means
yeah, and we can even
to interact with the
automate the strategy with your DOM footprint order flow. But with ICT, you really have to be an human approach. Okay, for a suggestion, you can check out ICT's channel. You don't need anyone else in the market. Mm, This is what you need. You can go in the playlist. You can start with a month one, two, three, 4, 5, and all of the way. There is chartered content as well, and market maker series. This is also important if you're trading Forex. Yeah, the core content, that's all you need actually. You don't need, but if your approach is like futures, then you can try out the 2022 mentorship. All right, euro is weak today and GBP is strong. I really wanted to tap this FVG, and I would have bought then, but that didn't happen. Okay, we swept the liquidity. Do you think it's a reversal? What are you doing? I think we have an entry on GBPUSD. This is a CISD, and what time is it? 7:20 and 7:50. Wow. The moment I thought of entry and it moved so higher. Market makers hates me. I think 30 minutes left for the news, right? Yeah. Yes, I'm from India. And I'm a Bengali as well. Yes, I do. I do speak that, but not on a stream, but I do speak that. That's my mother language. I have many friends in your country. I was a video gamer back then, and I used to play in different servers. Mainly Free Fire. It was a mobile game if you know about it. And it's quite popular in your country as well, I think. Yes, near that city, I won't reveal the exact city, but you can assume near that city. Make sure to like the stream as well. We're gonna cook the market today. uh, Sagnar, hello. What is it doing? Ready to cook the market with you. All right.
Hello, hello.
Yeah. So I think we are actually reversing after taking the sell side liquidity. Would you like to take a buy if you get an entry? Targeting.
Buy on EU?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, potentially, yeah, potentially.
And
I feel that I'm just forcing a trade.
yeah,
Um,
that's obvious.
right as well.
Mm-hmm.
Those are a bit forceful.
But as you sweep the low, so it really makes sense to go for the highs. Uh,
Yeah, I mean, if the entry setup looks really good,
mhm. Even even though I wanted to sell, but that's a season based bias. It's at low, so I'm gonna take the high.
exactly.
Well,
Yeah, I mean, look, closing right now, look at that. Yeah, I mean, if it closes a bit lower or a bit higher, you explore. Uh,
I think my network is or yours.
say it's likely to be a demo.
Okay, didn't understand anything you said.
Oh, okay. It's likely just to be a demo trade from here on out.
Ah, I see.
It has to really present something very convincing entry-wise for it to not be
Do you come live every day?
demo day.
Yeah, mostly like I trade Monday to Thursday and I skip the Fridays. Well, I think taking the trade on GU would make sense because that's more stronger than EU. I don't need to measure it. If we get an entry on this order block, it is 20 pips and I think we're gonna have 10 pip stuff, so this could be our trade, guys. Hmm. Right? Uh, hit the like button, and we're actually close to 800 subs, so make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. So, how much pips is that? 14, 14. Maybe. Usually it's a little depends on the news time, you know. Like my time set in a New York time. So as we had 8:30 New York time news, so I prefer to come at 7:30 or 8 like that. But if there is no news, like yesterday was no news, so I usually come at 7 a.m. New York time. So you can convert it into your local time. You can press the bell button so you can get a notification when I would be live, because I just get before my entry. Okay. Good. I think I'm going to take it on GBP. Sagnar.
Enough, man. I haven't even checked GBP. What, you're gonna take it? Is it gonna be a short or a long?
Long, obviously. GBP is more stronger than EU today.
I see, okay. you know what? If you're gonna take a uh, longer, interesting.
I'm on a trade. Let's see. Either we cook or just donate the money in the market. There's no way we lose. We would be go break even after taking this buy side liquidity and book some profit, right? Because we may not even hit the full TP. Or we can't even get cancel the whole setup. Anything could happen. All right. The move seems strong. We have a order block of this as well. I didn't want you to close the whole gap, but it did. What the hell? Let me use the quadrant. Okay, it's actually respecting with the lower quadrant of this gap, which is a good sign still, but still I want it to stay open. Let's see. Mm-hmm. All right. Do not complain if you lose, right? Dollar index didn't even take the low highs. This is suspect. It's okay. It's a risk management, you know. Okay, we lost the trade. Then how did you made $140 in a single trade? It was like 1:3 though. I think you over risked that time. Okay, our setup got failed. We just wait for the news now and see if we can see any other setup. But I would be trading demo cause my rules is one trade a day. I think we were the liquidity. Obviously. But I think we became the liquidity this time. Obviously, setup fails, definitely. Let me clean the chart a little bit. I actually want to hit 800 subs before this week ends. We're actually really, really close to it. Okay, let's go on a smaller time frame and see what's happening inside. Hope you will make it. There is no rush. This is just the beginning of the week. I already had a good setup yesterday. I just missed it, but it's okay. We have tomorrow, but tomorrow might be a crazy day because we have NFP. But maybe Thursday we can get an reversal entry. So yeah, there is always chance as we have a asymmetric risk to reward ratio. So yeah, we are profitable with the right risk management, obviously. We cannot avoid the losses. But most likely, I think it happened because in dollar index we haven't swept these highs, but on euro dollar we did sweep the lows. So maybe that could be a reason, but I would really like to study it later more deeply so that I don't make that mistake again. But yeah, this can be an reversal from here, but we just maybe we were just the liquidity They wanted ours $1 stuff. That's the part of the game, obviously. That's the cost of the business, you know. Even if you trade physically like any vegetables or any item, you still face losses. So it can be avoided. uh, if it breaks the lows, like close below it, then it would change its direction and tap on this. If it taps on this, I would definitely like to trade one more. Usually I don't take another trade, but if it does anyhow in the news, then. But risk management is the game changer. Yeah, the risk management is the your shield actually. That keeps you protect your capital. Wait, I'm having a call. 1 minute, okay? Uh, all right, all right. Uh, this meme is crazy, you know. I really like that. I see the concepts banned, Donald Trump executed, FOMC member yapping about nothing, Federal Reserve bombs, bombing. I love this kind of memes regarding trading. Yeah, I really think because of this thing, we actually lost. I would like to log this on here, and okay, I think we cannot do that. Well, maybe we can copy the link. Yeah, paste it here. We need another one. How you handle your losing streak? how I handle my losing streak. Like, this is a good question. Like, I never thought like this. Like, losing tick streaks comes, it really, like, if you have a really good edge with a good accuracy, that's not gonna play out the same in every single month. So it's gonna come. What you can do is just avoid trades. What if the market conditions doesn't meet? That's what you can do. Otherwise, you just let it play and you just see it happen with the risk management and RR. So as I have a 1:3 RR, so even 40% accuracy is good to be make money with the right risk management, obviously. Yeah. So what I was doing, I want to capture it for studies. X, Y. This is GBPUSD, right? I will study it later. Mhm. Alright. This is what I thought we're gonna be making today, like this week. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we are actually going there, so I think it's really good time. Okay, let me remove it, right? And we would be preparing for like this. I want it to be here and then go up. Let's see. If it doesn't respect this one, then I don't know where it would go. I want it to sweep this one and GBP tap this and then reverse. We may come to the one standard deviation in the euro dollar as well on the Asian range. It was this is Monday. My favorite pair. I really like gold, but I really stopped trading that. Now I really like euro dollar and GBP USD. I like trade the same setup depending on the strength and the direction. It's like the same price action, right? So this is what I trade the most comfortable, most like you don't have to have any stress to analyze anything. The easiest. Hmm. Okay. Okay, this is an valid CIST as well. And this is 820 CME open. This is an important price as well. Right. We take out this and then go higher. That's what I'm saying. 1 minute for news. Yeah, Euro really didn't even move that much as dollar index did. No, I think it's the same. I think so. Let's see. I think 16, 15 seconds left. We are about to reverse, I guess, from here on euro dollar. I don't know about GBP because I really wanted it to tap this one. Okay, yeah. So we had this small candle. Oh no, it's going, it's getting bigger over time. So, okay, GBP is also going bullish. And most possibly, I think we were the liquidity inside before the news. Or maybe it was, I don't know, let's see. It's a big enough candle though. 10 pips, yeah, enough. Which funded account do I use? You have to text me on Discord for that, cause I don't wanna talk about funded accounts on live stream. Okay, okay. Okay. Uh, what's up, Sagnar?
Hey,
You're
looking
looking
good.
good.
It
It
does
does
look
look
like
like
they're
they're
coming
coming
to
to
East
East
Station.
Yeah, the high must be taken now. But we got manipulated in the earlier setup.
What?
Yeah, I took that GBPUSD trade, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
heard
heard
you
you
say it
say
to
it
the
to the
chat.
chat.
Yeah, no, I didn't share it, but I can share it. Wait, I saved that here. I think, okay, let me save the link. Actually saved it as a link for study for later.
Was
Was
the
the
trade
trade
for
for
like
like
carry
carry
on
on
through
through
news?
news?
No, it was before the news. There was setup, but it actually failed. Like I became the liquidity. It induced
You wanted
Wanted
to
to
market.
carry
carry
on
on
through
through
news?
news?
No, I don't really want to right now, cause I would if it tapped that bullish favorable gap in 4-hour time frame of GBP USD. but it didn't, so I would preferably study the market.
Would you have carried it through news if it was going your way?
Yep, without like any TP, cause if the trade got hit in TP, then they would obviously give me only 1% profit.
Okay. Yeah. GU definitely looked strong. Anyways,
Yeah,
I can see why you want to take it.
yeah. But this can be a structure. Look at the Euro GBP, Sagnar,
Yeah.
and if you look at that January 6 low, it taken out on daily time frame, okay? It taken out that, and it break that like inside a high. So do you think it's a structure shift for buy side now?
Um,
Uh, I really don't know. EU GBP, Euro GBP is a tough one for me.
I see.
I think it depends on how this day closes, because right now we're in a weekly version for that gap.
Mm-hmm. I think I should.
Today and tomorrow may just continue lower.
Yeah, that could be possible because we are actually in a OTE. So that could be a good sell as well, but this is an structure shift, I see. But definitely it can get failed as well. We did need to confirm with the like fundamentals. This is definitely a structure shift though. Okay. Are you looking for a setup?
9 a.m. Yeah, because we've ran the lows.
Mm-hmm.
It could be a continuation now for GU and EU for shorts.
Source.
9 a.m. 9 a.m. shorts.
Could be. Yeah, cause you see that GBP was to take out the low. Sorry, DXY to take out the low. That's why.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, I think I really added in a hard rule that no trades before the news, cause I was really an inducement, man. This is crazy.
If I was to give you a recommendation,
Mm-hmm.
I'd say don't take any trade unless DXY does the inducement. Similar to the entry stuff, I say. Even with market structure, no DXY confirmation, the rest are irrelevant.
Yeah, I see what you mean, but I thought like I have observed that GBPUSD move a little bit different than as DXY and EU do. So I thought that would be a really like it was really valid setup though. Like
Yeah, that's a fair point. It does move different. You're right.
yeah, it's okay. Like I would.
But you bet a lot though. You're betting on the fact that GBP will override DXY, and
Mhm.
it can be a bit tough.
Yeah, sometimes it does, but yeah, mostly we see.
Exactly. Sometimes it definitely does. You're right.
I think studying
Does
it.
it?
I think I should study it tomorrow because I really need to see the whole price action, then change any rule. Ah, yeah. I think I should back test it, the setup. What do you think? How many years of data would be a right to back test?
Like 100 trades is good.
Yeah, 100 trades, but in terms of years, like 3 years back, 5 years, or even more.
I'm not sure what. However, it depends on how often your setup is, right? But if you can get 100 trades in a year, I think that's enough.
Hmm. So like, do you think I should test the 100 trades, then fix if anything needed, then test it one more time, like refinement?
Um, Potentially. But what would you be testing for?
Uh, I would
Like a new setup or?
no, not new setup. What I have currently, I'm gonna use the same thing, but as in the January, it really didn't performed well. So I really need to see if there was really my setup issue or really the market changes. I think 3 years is not too much or not even less. What do you think? Not too old data and not even too less. 100 trades or 150 trades in 3 years.
Yeah, that's good. That's good enough. Definitely.
Yeah. I think I need 2 months of subscription for that. Um,
I think it's just more narrative, though. I think that's the most important for all of us traders.
yeah, definitely. That. But I
Narrative is the most important.
definitely, but as you know, I'm really good at narrative, but obviously not 100%. But usually I'm good at it. So I think I should take my setup though. I think 2 months is enough. Like if I trade like back test for 7 days a week, uh, 2 hours, and I think I can do 1 month of data in one day. So it would be like 7 months, 14. Yeah, probably 2.5 years. I think that's already good enough in 1 month.
Yeah. I mean, it's
Yeah.
with me, everything changed once I realized it isn't the technicals that need fixing. It's more so my focus on DXY.
Mm.
I,
Yeah, but I really
DXY is
I really don't want to judge it because of what I really feel. I really want to see that data instead. So I think a 1 month of backtesting would really worth it.
yeah. That plus DXY focus, I think, will be
Yeah.
good for any trader. be fair, now I'm thinking about it, right?
About what?
You took long on GU, right? Long on GU?
Yes, long on GU.
Yeah, so if since we're expecting DXY weak,
Mm-hmm. Not weak anymore. I think it's stronger.
it was weak when you took the trade, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Or was it, did you take it just before?
I took it before the news. It was
Before the news, so that's 7.
I took exactly on 5 a.m. candle.
8:05, okay, so that's here.
Mm.
So DXY looked bullish, but more of a, I saw this as a false breakout. So you took it long GU. Long, why am I so confused? I think long GU, did you think the DXY would continue stronger? Or did you expect a reversal?
I just saw my setup, right? There was a target in the buy side and just enter on it.
You didn't really care about what DXY was doing? Is that
Yeah,
not?
obviously I saw that DXY was bearish because EU take the lows, you know. It take the low, so it's must go bullish after that. So DXY didn't take the high, but still I was expecting it to go lower, but it did, but still it got swept. Did you
Wait, that's so confusing, man.
Okay,
I don't understand what you just said.
let me share my screen. Maybe you can understand after that.
Yeah, share the screen, share the screen.
All right, you see it?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. So as you know, this was the consolidation. It took the low, right?
Yeah.
So for then I was looking for buy side after taking the sell side on euro dollar.
Yeah.
So it should be inverse. I didn't check the DXY. I thought that DXY already did it, right? So I go on GBPUSD as GBP is much stronger than EU, right?
Yeah.
So what we did, we reverse for like taking lows in the London, and for continuation we tap on this bullish favorable gap. Did an what is called like CISD? Yeah, CISD. Then tap on it, and I took long from there and targeting this buy side. That was the case, but it actually on retracement, GBP got weaker, right? So it actually took out me, and then after the news, obviously going for higher. Do you get it?
Okay. Now I get what you mean. Yeah.
Sometimes it's confusing when he just hit.
What I notice is you're consulting between EU's PA and GU's PA.
Yeah.
You noticed EU done the run on the lows, and then you noticed that GU is actually stronger than EU. So then you thought, we're going up.
Yeah, exactly.
But what you should do and should try look for is consult DXY as the main thing, not EU.
But it did.
Never consult.
No. Do you know why I lost the trade? It's not because the direction was wrong. It really followed in my direction. But what was wrong is this. It went for an retracement, and that's when GU got weaker and my ASL got swept. So sometimes that happens usually, but I would really like to study it tomorrow after the whole price action plays out. Get it?
Let me. I don't think I need to double check what you just said. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, check yourself. What do you guys say? I think it's just an unlucky day.
Yeah, okay. I just checked it.
Mhm,
I've made sense of it all.
mhm.
So I'll share my screen to make it clear.
All right, go ahead.
I won't even try waste my time explaining it with words.
Yeah, sure. Save your screen.
Give me a second.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. So you can see it.
Oh, wait a moment. Yes.
Okay. So you entered around 8:05, right?
Yes.
At 8:05, we've taken out buy side liquidity.
Yes.
We are technically at a premium. We're not only at a premium,
Mm-hmm.
we've got interest down here. So if this is going to be taken here
Yeah.
today, it's going to be taken after this is taken out.
Mm-hmm.
And we've gone up, taken it. At this point, I'm expecting it to go lower to get towards our sell side. This is where it's going to happen. If we go lower,
Mm-hmm.
it's here. We're going to start going lower.
Mm-hmm.
It's not. We're not going to go lower once price reaches this point. At this point, I'm even thinking we're going to go higher.
Why is that then?
So look at we would have, if we kind of take this out, we would have taken out an intermediate term high. That's the way I think. This is a short term high.
Yeah.
Short term high that can be used, to offset distribution lower.
Mm-hmm.
If it goes above this high and this high, I'm thinking like that.
Okay.
But this high is
Yeah, I got it. What you're trying to say.
some breakouts.
Uh-huh.
People have buy stops here.
Yeah.
Thinking it's going to go higher, but actually it's a false breakout, which ICT says is going to take it down the opposite way.
Yeah.
That's what I'm expecting. So when you took an entry, you took it here,
Yeah.
8:05.
Yeah, 8:05.
8:05 on GU, it's here,
Yeah.
this candle here.
Yeah.
So you ran the risk of the XY continuing. If the XY continued, then I think your SL may have been kept. But the XY
Did not. It did not continue. So it moved as I expected.
So you actually wanted the XY to be weak. So it worked in your favor here.
Yeah.
And it did become weak.
Yes.
I guess then it just goes straight to, as you said.
Yeah, because of that retracement. Yeah.
Hold on a second. The XY 805 rallies up slowly, manipulates lower.
Yeah.
GBP 805 rallies down slower and goes higher. Up, down, down, up.
Yes. Did you get it or not? If you're really struggling with it,
I ended up what I thought I was saying is wrong. I realized midway. I have to think about it a little bit more.
it's okay.
It's why God should have actually helped you.
Yeah, but as the strength actually changed because of the retracement of Euro GBP, that's why GBP USD took my SL. Otherwise, everything was working in my favor. If you see that time,
That's what it is.
yeah, if you see the time of the candle, it really moved in the weaker side for GBP. Yeah, since there. That's why it took my SL and lost it.
No, that's a good point. Yeah, EGBP took out big lows here.
Yeah, I really made a mistake understanding that.
It might expand again. So you might be in for a potential continuation, but
yeah, I actually take the daily time frame and saw that the GBP gonna be really, really strong. So that based on that, I actually tweak it. It's actually coming from that
yeah,
what is called like OTE, so that's why.
from here to here.
Oh, where? No, that last in the left, go in the left, that not too much, bro. You recent highs, the lower high.
OT?
Yeah, from that lower high you were seeing before that one. Before that one. Before that one. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
What's this?
That's the high. And mark the low. Then you will see the OTE for sell.
Oh, okay. See.
You see it? So
I mean, I don't know. I don't really hold much significance to this high, to be fair. It doesn't really mean a lot to me. I don't really see it as anything prominent, but
you don't see it. That's a per person block. Look at that bullish candle. Yeah,
Yeah, I don't really take too much note of this stuff, to be fair.
it displays that OD.
You see much
I really see that.
significance in it, to be fair.
Let me share my screen, then you might see it.
But all I see in EU is it's gone lower. It might continue to go lower. I'd have to see how this candle closes. The rest of it, I'm
E,
not really concerned.
EU or Euro
Sorry.
GBP. Yeah, that's what I
I'm
said.
looking at GBP.
If Euro
If
GBP is
this IBP is held and it's closed underneath, I'll think it will go low down to the monthly BISI down here.
look at my chart, look at my chart.
Other than that, I don't really watch it too much.
Are you looking at?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Right, so this is the high I told you to look at it. And this was the low. Right? So high to low we marked it, and this is 62%. This is OTE. It tapped there, but if we go on weekly time frame, we can see that this is an per person block. We tap the order block. This is an per person block. We tap it there inside the OTE. So that's why I actually assume that to go lower. Even though this is an structure shift as per, but still I expect it to go lower. But yeah, that's it. So according to that, I took the trade. I really didn't open that in 5 minutes or 15 minutes to see that we swept the low of the Asian range. So the
Oh
retrace.
shit, it's already 9 a.m. Oh my god. Wait, sorry. Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
What's going on? What is going on?
Same thing.
Time went fast, man.
Hope you didn't miss anything.
Nah, it's not really going the way I do, so it's good.
All
I
right.
mean, I don't think I missed anything. So we are, this is 9 a.m. open. I'm expecting shorts on EEG. So
Shorts. But haven't taken out the highs though. You assuming because of the DXY?
yeah, I don't look at the rest.
Makes sense.
You don't need to. That's what I'm saying. Like, do you understand how much emphasis I put on it? Like, it's that much.
But I did the same thing with EU and GU, but because of the strength, I actually lost, but it's okay. We can't control the strength of the currency. Otherwise, we are GUs and buy it. But I was expecting the news to be tap on that bullish favorable gap on GBPUSD. So I would be taking a long. But that did not happen. So, right. Okay. You were expecting lower. I think this is.
Yeah, I just think it's being unlucky. Now that you explain, well, we saw the charts. I think he just got really unlucky.
Yeah. But that actually happens. That's why this A plus setup fails because of that imbalance of the strength that changes. So
Yeah, maybe next time, once you see EGBP like run significant lows, maybe next time be careful expecting a retracement. But that's all you can do,
yeah,
in my opinion.
yeah, exactly. If I would have noticed that sweep of the lows out Euro GBP, then I would have expected an retracement. But it's okay. That's what we learn actually.
Yeah.
Let me copy this chart. Yeah, definitely. Okay, I got a Euro GBP.
Oh, look at these. Thank you.
All right. So I think you might be right about the longs on DXY. It's actually expecting the week with the body close. Yeah, I think
We'll see. I think the next 15 minutes will clear things up.
yeah. I think we even have a body SMT. I don't know if it's valid though, but it's a body SMT if you see it. Euro dollar is a lower body than the DXY.
But I have to say, GU is respecting all sorts of
Also, so
like the bearish IFBGs.
okay.
But I have to, it's really tough to say though. We gotta wait it out. Today is one of those days. It's the day before NFP. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Thursday, Friday, I think is when things will be a bit clearer. But yeah, I mean, ideally, if I had to pick what I want to see, I'd want to do silver bullet, 10 to 11 shorts, EU and GU. That's like what I'd like to see in terms of price doing.
I see. Yeah, before the NFP day is actually manipulation, you know. We seek and destroy each side. I have noticed that. We are running on that one more time. So what characteristics you're looking for an entry?
Just the IFBG, man. That's it.
Okay. Interesting. Macros IFBG?
Yeah, the ones that happen at that time. Macro, FPG, IFPG. That's all. But 9 a.m. that is it's all balanced. It doesn't have any.
Yeah.
Which is why I want to wait till 10. See what that happens. See what that gives.
if the current candle closed bullish on euro dollar and the next candle closed below, like the low of that previous candle, then it would be an CISD, according to me. Mhm.
Okay,
This is actually pretty good. As long as it as long as 915, as long as we're expanding, this might be an IFVG
that I'd
want to enter off of.
915 what? Euro or DXY?
XY. So I don't want
the
current 5-minute gap to be
Mm.
the 905 to 910 gap on DXY. I want it to remain open.
Mhm.
I want 915 to close up, 915 to 20 candle to close above it, and then it could be a potential entry.
I see. But GBP really looks bullish to me. I really expected the same thing, but we actually got walked.
You see, with EU
No, GBP.
right now, it's actually respecting a BISI. It's a BISI, sorry, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency,
What time frame?
hourly.
CB.
Yeah, an hourly CIBI.
Where is the hourly CB? Can you tell me the time?
6 a.m.
AM or PM?
AM.
6 a.m. 6 a.m. Okay, that's okay. I see. The small one.
Yeah.
How's that respecting? It actually broke it.
On the hourly, it's still open. It hasn't closed, so it hasn't broken it yet.
Oh yeah, that makes
This
sense.
could all still be a manipulation.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense. I'm actually watching the week of that 8:35 a.m. candle 5 minute. I draw a quadrant on it and looking at it to be respected.
Yeah, we've actually closed above the CE, so it's
Yeah.
not the best of
No,
closes.
I think a week.
I can easily see it being total swept and then still continuing lower potentially.
I actually allow.
There's an
I actually allow price to sweep like go below or above the CE, but for order block or breakup block, I don't want it to be the case. I really think it's bullish, man. Mostly on a
yeah, for me to not expect lower prices, the next 5 minutes is gonna the next candle is gonna confirm or make me reject my expectations. Because the way the current candle's moving is really good.
Yeah, in my favor. If I was in a trade.
This is all actually really good for bearish EU.
Uh-huh.
On some highs, and then
If it runs on the highs, then definitely it can be bearish. I think you're gonna probably have your setup on after 10 a.m.
I don't want it running
on the
more
high.
highs than it should be enough now. Like no more highs. It should reverse now. Like it's already taken out one. The second one isn't really needed.
Yeah, that makes sense though. That makes sense.
So yeah, it shouldn't really run the next high. Definitely not the one after that.
I see.
Reverse now. If it doesn't reverse now, I don't think I'd even want to trade or even be on the charts. It's just I'm definitely not taking long EU. Just have to wait for NFB.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think maybe we're gonna take tomorrow. We have three news, three red folder news. So I'm really not expecting and set up tomorrow. But today was pretty much predictable, easy, but still didn't work out in favor, but it's okay. I think it's likely gonna run on the highs. Yeah, it's really, really close to it. Why is GBP slow? Okay, we're actually reversing from here, that's why.
It doesn't look like it wants to turn around anytime soon.
Yeah. But I think after 10 a.m. it can return. It actually still shows the template I actually shared in the morning. The second POV I shared on euro dollar, you see that? I wanted to take out the low and go higher, even though I wanted to make it on London session, but it's doing on New York. So maybe we run later on the sell side after the 10 a.m.
This is on. You're talking about DXY, right? Right now.
Mm-hmm. Euro dollar.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Yeah, I mean, you'd want it to reject though, like soon. Like even this close, you'd want it to be a bullish candle.
Yeah.
This 5-minute close, because it doesn't really have any more. It's ran the liquidity. They ran.
I think you have a
I want to see it at least close bullish with this candle. or near bullish and continue upwards on the next few for London close to be bullish on DXY. If it just continues running low, I mean, yeah, I'm done with this for today.
How many A plus setups do you get a month?
I don't know. It varies, doesn't it?
Yeah, but on an average. Oh, ICT is live.
Yeah, he mentioned that 9 or 9:30 he'd go live.
Where, on Twitter?
Huh?
On Twitter or where?
No, on YouTube.
No, where did he mention that? On Twitter?
Oh,
He mentioned it on Twitter, yeah, but he said it would be on YouTube, not Twitter.
Yeah, I saw the notification of YouTube. Okay, I have a question for you. I'm gonna share my screen.
Oh,
Hello.
yeah.
Yeah, can you see and hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so. Oh, wait, having a network issue. What's wrong with the data? Yeah, can you see it? Hello.
Yeah, I can.
So I remember that you were saying that this candle as it wicked through these bodies. So you consider it as a CISD.
I don't even measure or notice any CISD. It isn't a part of my trading.
Oh. Okay.
I only look for imbalance closures, not order block closures.
Okay.
Yeah, I only look for market structure shifts and imbalances. So I wouldn't know. I wouldn't be able to tell you.
Yeah, but you were saying that, I remember that day, you were saying that it wicked, so it's CISD, but it's okay. My approach is
Still wait. It's market structure shift is what I said that day.
no, you said CISD, like I was talking about CISD, so you said this is weak.
Oh yeah, I did actually. Yeah, I did. ICT mentions it. He mentions if the high of a candle even touches the open,
Mm.
the algorithm is programmed to now seek out higher highs, or if it was shorts, lower lows. I can actually link you the Twitter space he says that in.
Okay, if you got that, please share it. It would be really helpful. Like as I use CISD based entries, so I think that's gonna add up something.
But yeah, I mean, as I said, I personally don't care too much. They're more so just confluence for me. They don't really matter in my trading.
Uh-huh. Oh,
What looks to be happening is Monday's a down close on DXY. Tuesday it looks like it's just going to continue expanding.
and
It would have been really good if today was a retracement into the range and then Wednesday expansion, but
I really do not have
Yeah.
idea of tomorrow. I really want to close the today's candle first, then maybe I would have any idea of tomorrow.
well, if today's candle closes lower on DXY, like it's doing now, running lower,
Mm-hmm.
I'd want NFP to rebalance and ideally
Yeah.
close in the Monday's
Yes.
FVG so that we
Same
can get easy
thing.
trades down on Thursday, Friday.
Bro, I made $25 on gold loss recovered. I don't know if congratulations that you made money, but where did you trade it? I would be expecting a retracement as well if the candle closed down in dollar index. I don't know what was your setup, but this is crazy price action. I used to trade this kind of things. Horrible, man. Last two big green candle. Ah, I see. These two, right? Okay, it was a obvious run on these things, but I would have not done that, honestly. So, yeah. Alright, it actually swept the London high on Eurodollar. I think you can expect and set up right after it. Sagnar.
Yep.
To run on the London high, do you expect it to reverse from there, or like expecting to run completely on the highs?
Uh,
I just know that I'm not anything with live PA. Live, I mean funds. All I know, sure,
Okay.
but I'm gonna entertain it.
I think my
I'm very bullish in a very premium area. So
yeah,
that's
definitely. So you just take one trade each day. Yeah, I do trade one trade a day. That's inside the one kill zone, one trade, just two pairs. That's it. Simple and simple and nothing else. All right. I do believe that my accuracy can be improved even more because I don't know, like I'm really mostly right at the bias like direction, but still my I got SL sometimes. And usually I'm recently noticing because of the strain changes in the trade, I don't know how could I fix it. How do you guys usually feel when you know where the price is gonna go, but you just get out before the run? Let me know. How many pips does it move? Uh,
Even EU's reached the highs, as you said, London highs. Now it's breaking previous day highs. I mean, previous day liquidity. Blah, blah.
Ooh la la. Well, I use a different risk management approach. It's not like fixed. I'm usually like decrease or half the risk that I initially take when below the starting balance. Like if I'm starting from $10,000, and if I go below the $10,000, if I risk 1% and get lost, then my risk should be 0.5%, so that I can survive more in the drawdown and my edge get more returns when I'm above the initial balance. So that's my approach of risk management. There are other styles of risk management as well, but that's what I actually use. I have shared that on DC as well. You guys can go check out. There's a lot of things. Yeah, this one. There's actually total rule of passing and funded account and all of that. You guys can take any screenshot or like join the DC. It's available there. Yeah. Well, Sagna, what risk management do you use?
I've heard, and I'm committed to just doing 0.5 until you build a buffer, and then 1% after that. After you build like a buffer of 3% or 4%.
Oh, I see. Makes sense. I think this is what is mostly on futures traders, I think, because their drawdown is really tight, 3%. I think that's really useful for that. So I'm gonna install Discord again. Yeah, just install the Discord. This is really a good learning space. You can connect with people, share ideas, and all of that stuff. You can even have all of the ICT courses lined up so you don't get confused. Anyway, so we are actually about to hit the target of the day. Yeah. 3 pips. So you won't be interested after if we hit that target, 7R.
Yeah, no, I'm not interested anymore.
Interesting.
Actually, I mean, I'll be interested in the longs potentially. Sorry, shorts on EU, but yeah, I guess that would be at 10 a.m.
Yeah.
10 a.m. and we've taken our previous day highs on EU, so
We run on the highs eventually.
previous day highs being ran means it better reverse soon. I mean, if it doesn't, then obviously there's nothing to do.
I really want euro dollar to be in the sell side, honestly. I really want to target those 60 days lows that is left. But I was just waiting for the price to show me its hands. All right, so we actually hit the objective, boys, but unfortunately we did not make money, so I am gonna. Hi, Sagnar. All right, my fans are my subscribers saying hi to you.
Oh, hello.
How you meet?
What I did
How
notice
you
though,
meet with
that looks
Sagnar?
pretty nice is I'll show my screen.
All right, so me. How I meet with Sagnar? We actually meet online. Like he's in my DC. He joined from Reddit, I guess. Yeah, most likely.
Yeah, Reddit.
Yeah.
Are you looking at the screen?
Yup, master. So me. What do you got?
This was always a possibility that this reverse. I mean, this is like inverse, then it goes higher.
Uh-huh.
But since we have NFP, since we have yeah, just a lot of stuff. I was hoping this would have maybe dug deep
Mm-hmm.
and then closed in the IFBG.
Mm-hmm.
And then on Wednesday, we manipulate lower, sweep previous day low, and then go higher. Yeah, so I expected today to,
I have
even now, like sweep previous day high, come back lower,
Mm-hmm.
and then NFP, when someone NFP tomorrow, sweeps previous day low, today's low, and then shoots up high. That's what I was hoping for. But this was always part of the cards, I believe. Everyone should expect that there's this would have been offered discount sensitivity, and they could have just gone up today and then continue up higher.
Yeah. Yeah, I want that.
This is a sucky one. I don't like this. This sucks, I have to say. If it doesn't reverse, I'm not happy.
All right. I actually don't want to come back if it really wants to go bullish. I don't even want it to take out below that IFVG on daily time frame.
Wait, say that again.
You said that you want it to tap that daily bullish fair value gap and then go higher, right? Hello.
No, I said that would actually be the worst.
Yeah, same thing. Same thing. I want it to be open if it really wants to go higher. But as I'm
Oh, okay.
yeah, but as I'm looking for berries, so I really want it to go berries. So let's see. Yeah, we actually swept the highs, and you see the rejection.
Yeah, this I see it. It's coming down.
Yeah,
I will see if it actually
there we go.
closes lower.
Right. Okay. GBP swept the Asian highs and it's coming back down. So I think possibly we can run one more time before the 10 a.m. and do a structure shift in the sell side. That could happen though. All right, all right.
To be honest, I'm not actually interested in Forex right now. I think NASDAQ is more interested.
Okay. You wanna trade NASDAQ?
Yeah, see what that has to do. See what that has to offer. Seems more interesting.
It seems more confusing to me. Yeah, pretty much like looks bullish. Okay, I as expected to be that BC to be respected. It did. We did on structure shift as well here. We're about to sweep the lows, and I think okay, yeah, it's a 9:30. I think we're gonna sweep the lows of Asian range and go higher. This is what I think it's gonna do.
Yeah, I was expecting the same.
Yeah. This is the liquidity we manipulating since there.
10 a.m. will be interesting on NQ.
Yeah. Indices are definitely good, but I think I really have to work on it to have a really solid setup for entries. Because I'm really not good at taking that IFBG entries, and those are not even good RR though.
The IFBG, FBG is the smart money reversal. That's the best RR you can ever get.
No, I have seen
It's
like
the very first CISD.
no. I have seen people using that IFBG setup, but usually they take like 1:2, that kind of RR. So it's I don't even feel good
A
taking.
lot of the CISDs have an FBG or IFBG. You just don't notice it because you look at your chosen PD, right?
Yeah, definitely.
If that makes sense.
Yeah,
It's just we all look at our own ones, but
well,
they're always there.
But what I'm saying, like you can see an structure shift and then retracement and perfect entry like Forex. Nasdaq is more like the sudden drop, no retrace, like that. So for that, I really have to build an strategy according to this nature.
Yeah, they are different. That's for sure. You're right.
Okay, we sweep the low, and this is bullish from here. This is would be CISD. I'm gonna take I think, what time is it? 9:41. Yeah, if it closes above this one, then definitely it would make sense. Let's see. Are we going like this? Like 1:5, I'm gonna target. All right. Yeah, 1:5. Do you have any setup? Actually, demo trading. Let me write it. People will just.
I'll demo trade you.
Yeah.
Do you want me to demo trade Summit?
Yeah. Nasdaq.
Okay. Oh, Nasdaq or EU?
Nasdaq.
I'll do both.
Okay.
But my screen is lagging.
All right. Close the stream then. Close the stream.
Oh, is that what's
Maybe this is.
on?
Yeah, it's okay. All right. I want to.
Okay. If I close it, you won't be able to see.
This would be valid structure shift right here. This is MSS level, right? And the sell side liquidity, it should be right here. So this is an order block as well. Voice order block. All right. Yeah, all set. I would really love 1:5 RR in Nasdaq. All right, I think we have done enough, and see you tomorrow, guys, at, I think, what's the news time tomorrow? 8:30, yeah. So probably 7:30 we would see you in New York time, obviously. And make sure to subscribe the channel and join the Discord. It's free, link in the bio. Oh, sorry, link in the description. So yeah.